Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution from the lesson sets for exercise 1.4 and question number 5. If A is given to be a set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, B with elements 3, 4, 5, 6, C with elements 5, 6, 7, 8 and D with elements 7, 8, 9, 10, we are supposed to find the subdivisions or answers for these 6 subdivisions. Let's start with the first one, which is A intersection B. So what is intersection operation? You have to list all the elements from both the sets that are common to each other. Okay. So if in this first case, I have elements of set with A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you compare, only 3 and 4 are present in both the sets. So A intersection B will be 3, 4. So in the next subdivision, it is B intersection C. So remember, intersection means all elements that are common to both. So between B and C, we see 5 and 6 are there in both the sets. So B intersection C is 5, 6. Now let's do C intersection D. So in between set C and D, the common elements are 7 and 8. That is only elements that are there in both the sets. So C intersection D is 7, 8. Now let's take up the set A and C. So A intersection C is all elements that are present in A and in C. So if you see the elements in A, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas if you see the elements in C, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there seems to be nothing that is common between A and C. So A intersection C will be a null set. Now let's take up the next one, which is A intersection D. So again, intersection operation means elements that are common to both the sets. A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas B has elements 7, 8, 9, 10. So nothing is common. So A intersection D is again a null set. Now the last one, which is B intersection D. So if you see set B, it has elements 3, 4, 5, 6, whereas the set D has 7, 8, 9, 10. So nothing is common between B and D. So B intersection D is also a null set. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 6th question in this exercise. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.